Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It is Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. So if you remember, this is what our meal plan looked like last week. Of course, I smeared that and then it got wet in the kitchen. But I wanted to bring it just to remind you of what it looked like and what our budget was. So I set the budget at $140 and I came in at $119.37. So definitely I did an awesome job with the budget and hope to continue the trend into June. All right, let's jump in with this week, which will be the week of June 4th through June the 10th. Okay, so I have chosen, and you can see a few things here. I'm going to use my tool pens today in yellow and this kind of teal color, and these are, I think these are mediums. Well, the green one is a fine, but I'm gonna grab the medium, so these are mediums. Awesome. Okay, as far as washi, this is food washi from Recollections, and let me tell you what it's called. Yes, I have my lovely washi catalog here, and that is a set, and the name of that set of washi, and it is Recollection, is called Punny Avocado and Sushi. So that's what we will be using today as far as washi. So I'm also going to be stamping, as you guys have seen in the last couple of videos. So I have Versa Magic, and I have this one in teal, and then I have the Versa Color in Canary. And this is not called teal. This color is Turquoise Gem. So I thought that would correspond nicely. As far as stamping blocks, I'm using my old trusty, and I'm about to wipe it off. I don't know why it seems like it's sticky. But of course, you know I wipe my stamps and my blocks with alcohol-free baby wipes. So it doesn't matter. I got those from the dollar store, maybe even Michael Staples, I believe, and they were on sale for like 99 cents. So stamping block. And as far as stamps, I am using the What's for Dinner Manby stamps, and I'm also going to use this dates stamp to stamp the date this week. Okay, so let's jump right in. And I'm going to use the sushi. This is so cute. I've used it in one spread before, and it turned out really nice. So hopefully, you know, the second time is a charm too, and it turns out great. Okay, and you hear me fumbling over here with my little toolbox of goodies. All right. Love this sushi. Okay. And what we want to do is, and this is the Happy Planner. This is the graph paper. I got it from Joann's. So I'm going to be careful because this week I'm actually going to be using scissors because I have this, as you can see, the background is a little different. I wanted to see how my videos looked with me filming on a white background. It's not something as of right now, I don't plan to do it every week, but I just wanted to try it out this week. Okay. So that's going to be the basis for our, like the foundation piece for the spread. I am loving the colors in here. And also this has a lot of food things in it. And I don't think I've ever used this part of the washi, but we will. All right, so we'll just alternate them. And I need 4 columns. So I'm just eyeballing this, and it may or may not turn out. We know I have done some craziness before. All right, and I'm going to break out an oldie but goodie to tear my washi if I still have it in here. I do. And this is actually my smoother tool for my Cricut. But it serves nicely to tear washi, and not only that, it will not tear up my little foam board that I have here. Okay. So that's awesome. All right. That may be a little bit too much room, but we'll see. I like this, less avocado. Okay. So the things that we want to stamp up top, I want to stamp, let's see, not what's cooking. Let's stamp meal plan. We haven't used that one. And we'll use yellow. And this one, because I've never used this one, I'm gonna prime the stamp on my hand. Learned that from Jenny McGarvey. Okay, priming it on my hand, just wiping it across my hand. All right, let's try this canary. See. And when I tell you these little inks are so inexpensive, I believe I got them all from Joann's for, a lot of them were less than $2. Oh, I like how that looks. I don't know if you guys can see it because like it's freaking yellow, but hey, it looks good. All right, let's clean this off and put this back. Let's get some dates on here. So I'm just going to, I think I want to stamp the day of the week. Do I have the day of the week? I don't have the day of the week, but I do have, I can put the month. And once again, one of those situations where the stamp has not been used before. We're going to try the Versamagic. Beautiful colors. I love them. All right, so we'll do it all the way over here. And let's hope we get a nice impression, which we did. Let's wipe this off. Okay, boom. Put this back on our paper. So it's going to be June 4 through the 10th. So I'm hoping I have enough room to kind of do this. I'm going to use okay. Let's see. 4, okay. And we'll just grab this yellow and hit dash. And we're gonna put 10 on there. And the 10 is all together, so I really like when that happens, because when you stamp these little numbers and they're all just individual, it could possibly get on your nerves. Okay, and here's our little 10. And we're gonna put it right back in our Versamagic ink. And I didn't prime this one, but it looks like I've used the 10 before, so let's hope for the best. As long as it's even, it should be okay. Yes. All right. Very good. So now we are going to, I should have left that out because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we'll start the yellow. World's messiest stamper alert. That would be me. Jenny says it's her, but I promise you it's me. All right. Yeah, it's fine. I'm just gonna use it. I'm gonna set my budget at $125 this week. Alrighty. So here on Monday, I'm gonna do something a little differently. I'm gonna write what we're gonna have. The leftover is going to be barbecue chicken, brown rice, and green beans. Okay, I'm just making sure I'm not smearing anything this week because we know I did a lot of smearing last week. Okay, so that is gorgeous. And then Tuesday is Taco Tuesday, so we are going to take our lovely Happy Planner food sticker book, and I feel like putting a taco and Taco Tuesday there. So I'm grabbing stickers from there. Okay. All right, let's grab a taco. And I'm gonna make a crock pot concoction. So, yeah. And it's going to be cilantro lime chicken tacos. Okay. Wednesday we are having garlic beef and broccoli lo mein with egg rolls. And you know I'm gonna definitely use stickers for this. So we have garlic, beef, and broccoli lo mein. With egg rolls. If I wasn't wanting to not take forever to cook, I would make some spring rolls because I really like spring rolls better than egg rolls. All right, so let's see where our Chinese food stickers got to be. Here we go. We are not having sushi, but I'm gonna put a fortune cookie here. And I think we have broccoli. I think that's asparagus, and I always think we have broccoli in this book. Oh, but on that tacos, I'm gonna make some guacamole, so I'm gonna definitely grab an avocado and put, it's only fitting since our spread has an avocado. Let me see. I'm certain I don't have broccoli, but it may be in the other food book. No, I have broccoli in here. Yes, I'm not losing it. Okay, that's not good. Okay. One thing I can say is these stickers really stick. I'm having the time of my life right now. All right, we are gonna put it like that. That's awesome. Okay, and so for Thursday, we will still have the same thing. And I will write it over here, garlic. Okay. Yes, I am feeling it. I'm feeling it. Friday is an eat out day. So, but I think Friday, I'm just going to make me a sandwich. And the reason why I'm saying that is because Sunday we have family dinner. So I'm going to hit Sunday with a family dinner stamp because we're eating out on Sunday versus Friday. There you go. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's see what we could do on Friday. family dinner and stick it back on here. I don't know what I can use. Oh, I do have other stickers. Let's see if I have one that may have make a nice sandwich. That would be super nice. Let's see. We can hit this with a Friday. I like that sticker. And it has black in it, so that will work. And I'm gonna put this "They See Me Rolling" in here since we're having Chinese food and it kind of goes with our theme. It's cute. And it's yellow and it matches. That's cute. Okay, so Friday, I'm just gonna put sandwiches. You can make a nice sandwich. Sandwiches and chips for dinner. All right, so for the back page, you know I like to mirror the front, so I'm going to grab the Sushi Washi and make me a little border, and then I'll plan out my actual grocery list. Okay, so I'm back with my completed meal plan for the week of June 4th through the 10th. And I have popped in my budget of $125. And I created a grocery list on the back. And this is the Happy Planner paper. I don't remember what it's actually called, but it's the one with the little dot grid and the rainbows on the side. So I hope you enjoyed the meal plan this week, and I hope you too are preparing all your meals with love for your family, and most importantly, sticking to your budget. I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Ciao, bellas.